back to my channel. This is Srishti and today we are going to be talking about how being grateful towards others actually helps you. Being grateful means being thankful, appreciating what we are having and making time to genuinely express our thankfulness. Humans are the most complex beings. We are ready to put our happiness and peace on stake for achieving great things. Our wishes are never ending. If our one wish is fulfilled, there are 10 others of them left. We are so messed up. We don't know what makes us happy. We are continuously dealing with negative emotions and negative thoughts, depression, anxiety, relationship issues, and what not. But life is about living. Are we actually living or running towards one thing then another? And at the end of the day, we still aren't satisfied. But how can we be satisfied when we aren't appreciating what we are having? When we are not recognizing things we are having, people we are having by our side, and ignoring them and continuously focusing on things we are not having or we want. I shared one post on my Instagram handle recently which stated, life is full of positives and negatives. The ones who embrace the positives and accept the negatives are the ones who will grow. Being grateful can improve your overall sense of well-being. Gratitude is strongly associated with greater happiness, feelings of positive emotions, improvement in physical as well as mental health, dealing with anxiety, and a study found that individuals who took their time to express their gratitude towards their partner not only felt positive towards each other but also felt comfortable in expressing themselves, helping in building a stronger and deeper relationship. For more than 2000 years, people have valued gratitude. If you see, many religions consider gratitude as an integral step on the path to a good life. Thanking God right after waking up, thanking God whenever something good happens, thanking God for this and that, thanking God for life, and so on. Gratitude is seen as a character strength, which can lead to the development of a virtuous life. So, the plus point here is you can deliberately cultivate gratitude. Yes, you can learn how to be grateful through practice. Initially, you may need to force yourself, but with time and with repetitions, you will learn and it will naturally come out. Like the parents teach their child to say thank you whenever someone gifts them something. Initially, the child needs to force themselves to do so, but with time and repetitions, they get used to it. And then when someone gifts them something, the thank you will naturally come out. They don't have to be reminded by their parents. Just like that, your behavior to be grateful, to be thankful towards others, to appreciate things will be conditioned with practice. If you see people who are depressed, they tend to see negative in every situation. They don't do it consciously, but their mind gets conditioned to see things in a certain way only. But now when with gratitude you are teaching your mind to see positives and appreciate them, there will be less problems. So consciously find things you can be grateful for. Consciously appreciate them. Some people prefer to have a gratitude journal with them. You can also put a gratitude list in your normal journal. If you want to see the benefits of journaling, please watch my previous video. I will be sharing its link in description. Don't forget to count your blessings. Say thank you to each and everyone who may have contributed in making your life beautiful. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me here. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.